going on, everybody? Sorry, we're a few minutes late. We're doing this live. We're going to be taking a look at the market. Let me get this shit off my head. These headphones don't really, they sort of too short as they are. Could be definitely used to be longer. So, we're on. We're going to go right in. Any fun and games, we'll do that tonight at about 10:30, I believe. Is it 10:30 or 11? I forget which. I think I'm at 8 and 10:30. We'll have to remind her of that. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to get up the Thinkorswim platform. All right, so we got Thinkorswim open. We're going to hit the screen record. We're going to start recording our screen. Oh no, not recording the screen. All right, thank you. Good evening, everybody. We're going to look at some stocks, all except for the ones behind this right here on the left-hand panel. We're not going to look at those because we can't see them. So without further ado, we're going to get right into this. No too much goofing around. We're going to save that for later around 10:30. I got a new chair to put together. I got to figure out where I want to put it. I'm going to put it here. We'll put it there. We'll put it, put it, put it, put it. Let's go ahead and get busy. So yesterday we had the market. You're going to see. Stop staring at Tesla on the right. Stop staring. We're getting ready to look at it in just a minute. Look to the left. Please draw your attention to the left side. We said we were going to reject in 4110. We, in fact, rejected it. We rejected 80. Next target is at 35. Came down 40, came back up. So what did they do? In the up. Down. And that continued down. Then you had the up. Back down. So it's still ended up 40.35. Is that where we're at right now? Back on sitting on 35. Very strong level there. And you'll see this here earlier. And it spiked it up and through and then came back down. So just had a few of these candles, but didn't really have any staying patterns. Just these quick ups today. You know, I'd like to have a good candle on the downside like that today. We sort of got one, technically. But, you know, just one single bleesh. And anyway, so we rejected that. Next level I'm still looking at, and I still have no qualms of saying that we're going down 300 points. We're already down, and that was from up here. So already down about 80-something points maybe. And we're back down here to 40.30. So, and holding on at 35. They may push up. So you got this level here at 35 to 50. They could play with for a little bit. You got this area here from 10 to 35 to play with a little bit and 4,000. So there's a couple levels of importance right below this. And so by that logic, my target would be all the way down here to 10. Holy crap, look at that. And that's barring if anything weird happens. That's the target I got for still yet. So they still may bounce it, but I don't care till they take out some levels like 40, 50, put in some major candle bodies in this area. Then I'll buy it, like they did here and here. That one was a giveaway. It was too quick. Moved too quick. Came back down, gathering support. So we'll see what happens. Tesla, we talked about earlier. I think I got some levels and shit here. Forget what indicator that is. I don't really give a shit either. Why is that even on my chart? I don't know. Works on daily aggregate. So can we not even look at a damn chart over here? Let's pull this out. That's on a 15-minute toe. Let's look like a 4-hour in this piece of shit, shall we? So you ran into that area today, 182.18. In fact, was a level on the chart. It's been there for a long time. It didn't come out of the blue. It's been on there for a while, 182. So they took this 150, 160 ghost candle giveaway right here. That's fine. Ghost candle, too quick, come back down. And that's exactly what it did. Ghost candled up, and then so back down today. It actually didn't hit exactly 182.18, but it got pretty darn close, didn't it? Where are we at? 180.73. Come on, come on. That's close enough, right? Not really. It didn't nail it, but got pretty darn close. Anyways, so back off. That level came back down there to 166, 165 something right now. So it's actually dipping. Would be not surprised at all. Point is at 150 is the level to go to. When they hit to 150, maybe they bounce that shit back up a little bit. But that's where we're at right now. I still got this handy dandy target down to $90. Handy dandy target down to $90. And we're right here. So we're going to do some earnings and shit tomorrow. We got ES over there on the left. Let's go ahead and get our SPY up. What were we looking at on SPY? It did exactly what we told it to do. It's all it does. It's what we tell it to do. We tell it to do something, damn shit does it. It's crazy, isn't it? I'll tell you to do this, you frickin' do it, and make me some money. So SPY, it's going to look weird because I still got some of these stupid candles. If you get these and you're on here, right-click on that if you're on toss, right on the bar, get rid of that bullshit. They should just clean them up themselves, but whatever. You can either actually gather some information out of those sometimes, like maybe a continuation of this direction. But, so you saw that the other day. Well, that's actually, what was that, Sunday? It was Friday there. So I had Friday and then Sunday overnight. And that was this morning. Like at 1 in the morning or some shit. He had that 4045 boom right here. So it was already set in motion. These candlesticks suck. Let's get out here. Really bad. They're really shitty candles. Come on. Stop shitting around with my data. What are you doing? So, hit that 1408 and I said the next level down. It's like a magnet. You got very close coming in at $400 level. The other one I had here was 480, slightly above it. Normally I don't put levels so close, but that's a double band where it's got two levels right on top of each other. See that? Boom, boom right here. And you can keep following that all the way across the damn chart. 480 and 400. That's what we got for support. That's what we got right now. And it hit the first one, so I'll be surprised they come down here and at least touch 400, but we'll see how that plays out for now. You really got an abyss down here on SPY. Are we going to 385 again? I'm just going to laugh. We're going to 385 again. I'm actually out of here right now. Appreciate you joining me for this quick, instructive, yet very informative coverage of what happened today, which did exactly what we told it to do. We're not giving it too strong a direction tonight. We'll let it have a time of rest before we come back in and smack the shit out of this damn market. Have a great night. Have a great night, you as well. They're listening on Spreaker. Appreciate that. Join us again here, I believe, at 10:30. On 10:30 night, we're going to make it 10:30 anyways. 11's just a little too late. And I think you're still on, and we're out of here right now. Have a great night.